Welcome! Today we will master the Write an Email task for the TOEFL writing section. You have exactly 7 minutes to read the scenario and craft a professional, well-structured response that addresses all the requirements. Let's get started! If you found this lesson helpful, make sure to subscribe to myTOEFL for more expert writing tips. Let's keep working toward your target score together. You will read some information and use the information to write an email. You will have 7 minutes to write the email. You recently registered for a Mediterranean cooking class at the community center. The prompt establishes that you are a student in a Mediterranean cooking class. This context is vital for determining the professional yet enthusiastic tone you should use. You received the required ingredient list, but you cannot find one of the specific spices at any local grocery stores. We learn that you cannot find one of the ingredients, which creates the central conflict of the email. This specific problem requires you to seek help from the instructor. Write an email to Chef Moretti. In your email, do the following. You are writing to Chef Moretti, so the email should be formal and respectful. Using a proper title and name shows you understand the relationship between student and teacher. Thank Chef Moretti for the upcoming Mediterranean cooking class. This first requirement is to thank Chef Moretti for the class. Starting with gratitude helps build a positive report before you bring up your problem. Explain that you cannot find the required saffron spice locally. Here you must explain that you cannot find the saffron. It is important to be specific about which item is missing so the chef can give you the right advice. Ask for a suitable substitute or if the center provides it. The final instruction is to ask for a suitable substitute or check availability. This ensures your email is proactive and seeks a solution rather than just complaining. Write as much as you can and in complete sentences. Your response. gmoretta-community-cooks.org. This field shows the recipient's email address, confirming you are contacting the chef directly at the community center. And cooking class ingredient inquiry. A strong subject line like this is concise and clearly states the purpose of the email. Now let's look at a high-scoring example email. Pay attention to how the writer addresses all the bullet points and uses formal vocabulary. We start with Dear as a formal greeting. Then we add the recipient's title and name, Chef Moretti, and finish with a comma to follow standard email etiquette. We begin the body with I am writing to state the intent. Next, we use to thank you for to fulfill the first bullet point. We then specify the event as the upcoming Mediterranean cooking class and conclude with scheduled for next Thursday to provide specific details. We start with, I've always been interested to show personal motivation. We follow with, in learning authentic regional recipes to specify the interest. Then we use, and I am eager to show enthusiasm. Finally, we add to improve my culinary skills under your guidance to complement the instructor. We use, however, to signal a shift to the problem. Then we add, I am contacting you because to introduce the reason for the email. We follow with, I've had difficulty locating to describe the issue, and end with one of the items on the required ingredient list to be precise. You begin with, specifically, to provide more detail. Then we state, I have checked several local grocery stores to show effort. We use, but I cannot find to express the failure, and finish with the high-quality saffron spice mentioned in the syllabus to name the specific item. We start with, since this appears to be to establish cause, we add a key component of the main dish to explain the importance. Then we state, I am concerned to express our feeling, and end with that, I will not be prepared for the session. Consequence. And to we ask, could you please suggest to make a polite request? Then we add a suitable substitute as the object of our request. We conclude with that is more easily available to define the criteria for the replacement. We use alternatively to offer a second option. Then we add, I would like to know if to introduce a question. We follow with the community center provides these specialized spices as the subject of inquiry and end with for students during the lesson to specify the context. We begin with thank you to show appreciation. Then we add for your time to acknowledge the recipient's effort. Finally, we conclude with and assistance to cover the help requested. Sincerely as a professional closing, then we simply add a comma to separate the closing from the sender's name. We finish by typing as a placeholder. This represents the final part of the signature where the student would provide their actual identity. To succeed in the TOEFL email task, always respond to every bullet point provided in the instructions. Maintaining a polite professional tone is essential for achieving a high score. Practice managing your time effectively to ensure you can review your grammar and vocabulary before the 7 minutes are up.